Hello again, guys, and welcome back to Hanak's Dev Lab, our point for studying and going forward in coding, in our coding journey, so that we become better developers and improve our lives, our lifestyles, and of course, the lives of everyone that we touch with our codes. So, guys, so that we can build better things in a better world as much as possible. Guys, so let's go about this string open and close square brackets args bit, okay, which is selected here. This is kind of a mystery for many people, and it has been for me for so long too. But let's try to, I'm gonna post this video and another one so that it is simpler for us to take a look at it, okay? Basically, this is something that we might not be using much, okay? At first, at least. It will depend a lot on what we are doing. But, so let's imagine here that we have a Java program and we want to be able to, basically, from the point that we are running the program, so here, let's say Java program. Let's say that we would be actually program name. Okay, program name, which would be the class, right? So basically, let's say that we would run a program with this name. Or even better, let's use the name of the class here on the left. So it will be simpler. So my first Java class, okay? So let's say that we would be running this, all right? But we would want to run it with some command line additional stuff. So such information, it could be, for example, file paths, some kind of data, configuration settings, etc., that would pass to the program through this. So via this main method and the string args bit, Java provides a way for us to do it, okay? So this is why it is here, basically. So we know that the main method is the starting point of the Java program for it to start running and stuff like that in general. So it's like the main function, okay? And it gets executed when we run the program. So it's the starting point. This is what I have been telling you guys on the other videos. I guess I said about these on both of them, if I will remember, yes. So with this bit here that is selected, we are able to receive information from the outside world of the program, so to speak, okay? So when we run the Java program, okay, we are able to type stuff here before the execution itself, so that we are gonna give the program arguments. So this is why args, okay, from arguments. And those are command line arguments. So it is a placeholder as if a variable, as if, for example, an array of strings, all right? So basically, we could say here, argument, arg, instead of arguments, arg1, arg2, for example. We would pass to the program two different arguments here, okay? So these are the command line arguments, both of them, okay? And they would run with the program. We would provide additional information for the program to start running, okay? Then you would be able to question, why would I do that? Or would I need to do it at all times? It will depend. For example, let's say that we have written a Java program to start, this is just an example, a very simple example, just as a way for us to imagine it happening, okay? I'm not saying that this happens or not. This is just an example. So let's say that we would need, for example, a program to start the day running on, let's say, the till of a supermarket, for example, okay? So how much cash do you have at the start of your day? One of these arguments here would be the amount of cash that you were starting today, and this here would be the amount that, for example, for some reason, you ended up in the last day. For some reason, you need these two informations, these two bits of data here, so that the program will run in the perfect way during the day of today. So try to visualize this example that I gave you guys, okay? This is a basic example, and so that you understand what is possible for you to do, but it will depend on the design, of course, of your code. So we will see more of this on the next video. Just to finish up this one, it is, as I said, as if an array, and not as if an array, the arguments will be stored in the args, which is an array, okay? So to refer to those arguments that we are passing in this example here on the right, for instance, we would be able to call for them in this manner here, okay? We would search for them in the array, as we do in any programming language, basically, okay? So the first command, which is arg1, and the second command, which is arg2. As we know, the counting starts on the 0. So this basically it for this video. I'm going to try to bring for you guys an example that is powerful enough for you to visualize it better in a working code, okay? So see you guys in the next one, and have a great one. Thanks for watching.